Welcome to the final episode of my favorite noodle recipe series. Today we are making spicy Thai noodles loaded with bold flavors and a spicy kick. Start by mixing ginger garlic paste with sriracha and vegan red Thai curry paste. Add little water to get the sauce consistency. Then in a pan, add some sesame oil and fry whatever veggies you have at hand. Today I'm using edamame and bell peppers. Then add tofu and chili crisp along with salt. Mix and cook this for a couple of minutes. I also like to add meatless crumbles to this recipe because they soak up the flavorful Thai inspired sauce, complementing the noodles and the veggies. Then pour in the prepared Thai sauce, followed by cooked noodles. You can use any variety of noodles here. Mix it all together and it's done. It's vegan, quick, and incredibly satisfying. Perfect for weeknights or when you want something fiery and delicious.